I've been here in Almaty as Consul General for almost a year and a half. I love the city, the mountains, and the people, and so I invited my family from the US to come and visit. This is Nick, Whitney, and Cash, and it's no surprise that Cash started to learn snowboarding before she turned 1. Isn't that right?
We put her on the snowboard, we made a video of it, sent it to our local news station there in Boise, Idaho, and it ended up getting taken virally, globally. It went further than we could ever imagine.
Yeah, I saw it on the BBC.
Yeah.
So this is my first time skiing here in Kazakhstan. Cash, you gonna teach me?
You show them how to do it on the mountain?
Okay. All right, we're ready. Even if you've skied before, it's a great idea to take a lesson from a ski instructor and learn from a professional. Also, ask questions from the ski staff if you have doubts about safety and security, and also to find out which ski run might be best for your ability. I am feeling ready to ski for the first time in Kazakhstan. I'm excited. And go! Cash did an amazing job snowboarding. She's only 3 years old and she really inspired me. She had a big smile on her face. She was having a great time. So I can't really imagine a better day. I'm inspired. I want to come back up here and try to snowboard myself.
What did you like the most about today?
Snowboard.
Yeah, it was fun. You did so good. You want to keep snowboarding? You do want to come back to Kazakhstan and snowboard some more?
Like this video.
Like this video!